The Kind Tree Short Moral Story. In a sunny meadow, a big, kind tree provided shade to animals and travelers. Birds built nests in its branches, squirrels played on its trunk, and weary travelers rested beneath it. One summer, a drought dried the land, and many animals grew thirsty. The tree let its roots draw the last drops of water to grow small fruits for the animals. They ate gratefully and survived the tough season. When the rains returned, the tree blossomed with new life, surrounded by its happy friends. Moral: selflessness brings happiness to others and creates lasting friendships. Sharing brings joy to all. Thanks for watching.